What? So guys, today we are under storm watch. We're under storm watch in Dominican Republic. So the country is shut down from today to Thursday. See that?
No, el vuelo cambió sin ti, ¿sabes?
So right now we are going shopping. Alberto has been our lovely driver. Hey Alberto. Taking us around safely, playing music loud.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get something to wash my clothes with. Oh, we have a shopping cart for me too. The shopping carts. We can share the shopping carts. You're not gonna fill that up, I'm sure. Elodie, that's Elodie. Hey, and that's Joanna. You all know Joanna already, right? Joanna, they know you.
We need to survive the storm.
We need to survive the storm. And I'm out here having a Dominican experience, shopping. Yeah, it's not cool, and it's so full, guys. With all these people. Let's see the bread. How much the bread costs? So if you want like this bread right here, that's a local brand, 170.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La, la.
It's more full than usual because of the storm warnings. Cakes? No, we're not getting cakes. I'm just gonna show you around to see what they have in here, okay? What they have in a Dominican supermarket. How are the prices? Let's see the price for cheese. Okay. Let's see what do you guys wanna buy? Let's see, something like this costs like what, 235 pesos. So convert that to US dollars. And let's see, just to get an idea of how much the food costs here, right? 165 for those. Is it expensive? Is it normal? This place is full. Again, we have a storm warning, guys. That's why it's so full. Let's see. Can barely walk. Oh, you made it. I didn't see you on a bus, Jose. Let's see. It's $1 or $2. Eggs. I don't even know what to buy, seriously. I have no idea what to buy. Sorry, honey. Let me just walk around and see what they have in here. Oh, let's see what the juice costs. That's a brand name local one, 82 pesos. I guess juice is cheap, right? But this one is, because it's bigger, that's why. Continuing, going to see the lines. The lines start. Oh, this place is packed, guys. Very packed. Let's see. I think I want to get water. Yeah, let's see. So how much the water costs? Very cheap. Do I even need water? Just in case, let's get water. Ay. It's full. Oof. So many people. I think I want to go. Let's go this way. We're in Las Terrenas, guys. See if I can't see. Okay. Sorry, honey. See on the Cheerios, they cost $4.39. pesos.
No te dan oferta.
Up.
Y de esta,
Excuse me.
de ninguna de
Esa no está en oferta.
So, let's see how much the candy costs. I'm almost done with the stock, guys. Just want to show you guys what they have here. What kind of stuff. Okay, let's see how much this costs. What is this? Okay. For example, this one would be $6.45. I don't know what that means. It is UN at the end. I don't know what UN means. Oh, and the alcohol. I don't drink alcohol, but for you guys who drink alcohol, let's see, Presidente. That's a Dominican beer, very famous. Like a pack of 6 costs, what's 90 on? That's not pesos. I don't advocate alcohol drinking, but for those of you who like alcohol, it's up to you. This is not the aisle I want to be in. Okay, guys. Anyway, I'm not making this video for me, it's for you guys. Okay? If in case you're wondering, what do you want to see? I don't know. Is this a famous one? What's UN? UN. I don't know what this prices mean. I have no idea. What does UN mean? Like, you know, like right here? Because it's not peso, right? What's UN?
unidad, one.
Oh, for one. Okay, one. Okay. It's a unit. Okay, got it. So UN is one, each one. So, for example, this one right here costs that much for one. All right. Let's see what they have over here. Oh yeah, I do need to buy lady stuff. It's that time of the month. Oops, why am I showing you guys this? TMI. That was not meant to be for this vlog.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata. Música, 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 te traigo música, 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 música de la República. Ajá.
Our group trip ends tomorrow. No, what? That was funny. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.